the elevators here at the Commodore Bay condominium here in Brooklyn, Miami, Florida. These are Otis Series 1. Go up to penthouse. Oh, what the heck is this? Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, maybe we're 15. Penthouse. Yeah, here at penthouse. Weird floor passing chime. I don't like it either. We have one. I'm starting to wonder. This floor passing chime is annoying. But this one is it. I think that one's getting renovated. What about this one? Here's this one. Hello, everybody. That one is a mirror, you know. Let's go back to G. Hey there, Annie. Ted, look at this cat. It sure looks awfully great. Hello. Sitting is over there. Is your phone, and the capacity is 25 pounds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you're a G. Why don't these Otis Fixtures so much if he wants in Maryland and Virginia, frankly? I would have said, behold, the king of the Koopas! I'm assuming my Ambrose movie, whatever. And that's it for me.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.